In this cyber age, we're on the brink. OMAIL's got the power. It makes you think with AI technology. We're breaking through, transforming communication. Yeah, that's what we do. In the virtual realm, we rise and soar. On passive technologies, we open the door. With professional emails, extraordinary at home, every thought of power. Yeah, it makes you think with AI technology. We're breaking through, home, every thought of power. Yeah, always got the magic. Watch your inbox unfold. With that revolutionizing, breaking all ties, no more limitations. We're reaching new heights. With OMAIL, you'll never miss a beat, day or night. To never miss a beat, day or night. Day or night, nights power. It makes you think with AI technology. Breaking through, transforming communication. Yeah, that's what we do. Within the virtual realm, we rise and soar. Onpassive technologies, we open the door. Professional email.